the 28th of February 2026, a date that will be etched into the history books as the night the shadow war finally exploded into the light. In a single devastating window of time, the geopolitical map of the Middle East was torn to shreds. No more proxies, no more secrets. Operation Epic Fury has begun, and the world will never be the same. As missiles rained down on targets across 20 Iranian cities, President Trump stood before the world with a message that shattered decades of diplomacy. This wasn't a surgical strike, it was a decapitation. By calling on the Iranian people to take their country back, the US moved beyond containment and directly into regime change, a gamble no president has dared to authorize in over 40 years. By the morning of March 1st, the unthinkable was confirmed. After hours of static and silence, Iranian state media broke. Supreme Leader Ali Khamenei is dead. Struck down in a high-precision operation at the very heart of his compound. The anchor of the revolution is gone, leaving a power vacuum so vast it has sent a literal shockwave through every corner of the axis of resistance. The regime is in free fall. But Iran did not go quietly. Within hours, the skies over Tel Aviv and Haifa were choked with drones and ballistic missiles. The conflict surged past Israel, hitting US bases from Qatar to Bahrain. And then the tragedy deepened. In Kuwait, 3 American service members were confirmed killed in action. The first blood spilled in a war that is now rapidly spiraling out of control. It is now March 2nd. Hezbollah has officially entered the fray, turning northern Israel into a front line. Inside Iran, the streets are a chaotic mix of state-mandated mourning and explosive new protests. As oil refineries burn in Saudi Arabia and global markets tumble into the red, we are forced to ask, is this the quick victory Trump promised? Or are we standing at the gates of a decade-long catastrophe? We are witnessing the most significant shift in global power of the 21st century. What do you think happens next? Can a new government actually rise from the ashes, or are we looking at a total regional collapse? The world is watching. Drop your thoughts in the comments below and hit subscribe. We are staying live as the 2026 Iran-US crisis unfolds.